Today, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook comments to your DropInBlog blog. First, you'll want to sign into Meta for developers using your Facebook login. As you can see, I'm already in. On the upper right, click on My Apps. You'll be taken to the page where you'll see all of your apps. Navigate to Create App on the upper right corner and click. You'll be directed to the Create an App page, and it'll ask you what you want your app to do. We'll go further down, and under Looking for Something Else, select Other. Then, on the lower right, click Next. Now we'll select the app type, and we're going to select Business. Scroll down, and again, on the lower right, click Next. After that, name your app. You can choose any name. For us, this will be DropInBlog Comments. Then, on the bottom right, click on Create App. You'll be taken to your new app's control page. On the upper left part of the page, you'll see your app ID. Just click on it to copy. Now, let's go to our DropInBlog account in a new tab. I already have it opened up right here. Once you're signed in, let's go to the Settings page. So on the upper right, click on Settings. We'll scroll way down to Social Settings. Then click on the Comment System toggle to turn it on. A couple of text boxes should appear. We'll focus on the Facebook App ID text box and paste our app ID. And finally, click on Save All Changes. The page will refresh, so let's copy our blog link and check it out in a new tab to see if it worked. Paste our address, then hit Enter. Now we're in our blog. Click on a blog post. Now that we are in our blog post, we'll scroll all the way down to the bottom. And there it is, your Facebook comments. And that's how you add Facebook comments to your DropInBlog blog. Happy blogging!